Beauties, it's a 5 minutes makeup look that anyone can do easily, and here is how. Start filling in the eyebrows only in the sparse areas with light strokes mimicking the natural hair and comb through because eyebrows frame the face. Then choose a skin tone that has light to medium coverage to even out the skin. You can also use foundation, but make sure that the product that you choose is easy to blend and it doesn't take too long to blend out. Apply it all over the face, mainly focus on the areas where you want more coverage. Then blend it out with a brush or a sponge. Here I'm using Bare Mineral Skin Tint Stick in the shade 7.5. It's a medium coverage skin tint that is easy to blend and gives skin-like finish. And lately I have been loving the skin tint for everyday purpose. Then if you want more coverage on certain areas like under eyes or to cover any blemishes, then choose a concealer because concealer tends to have more pigmentation than a foundation or a skin tint to add coverage. Apply it on the areas you want more coverage, then blend it out. Use a sponge or a brush to blend out the product. Here I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics Soft Glam Concealer in the shade Medium. It's a medium coverage concealer that has skin-like finish. I have tried this one recently and I really like this. Then to set the concealer, use a translucent setting powder with a puff. Even out the powder on the back of your hand first and then set the concealer because some concealers tends to crease if you don't set it. Here I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Translucent Setting Powder. Then to increase the longevity of the base makeup, lightly apply a finishing powder all over the face. I'm using one size finishing powder here. Then for the bronzer and blush, I would highly recommend you guys to choose baked products instead of cream or liquid because baked products are easier to work with compared to liquid or cream products. Especially when you're doing just 5 minutes makeup, baked products are handy. Apply the bronzer on the areas where the sun would naturally hit your face to add warmth and definition to the face. Also use it to add some definition to the nose as well as on the eyes to bring back some color to the face instead of blank canvas. I'm using Laura Geller Baked Bronzer here. Then choose a subtle blush that is perfect to wear every day. I'm using CoverGirl Baked Blush. For the eyes, it's going to be very simple technique to make your eyes pop. Just use a black or brown pencil on the outer and inner corners of your eyes to add depth. Then go with a fun pop of color on the center. Trust me, it's an easy way to make your eyes pop easily. Then before mascara, I always use a lash color, but it is totally an optional. If you're not used to it, just skip this step and apply mascara. I'm applying just one light coat of mascara here. And for the lips, of course, choose any lip color of your choice. Here I'm using Maybelline Lip Liner in the shade Peaking to line my lips with. Then using Maybelline Lipstick in the shade Open Lid to fill in the lips with. And using Maybelline Lifter Lip Gloss Clear on top. This is the finished look. It's quick, simple, easy, wearable. I hope it helps. Subscribe for more tutorials.